How to log in on Cankado using a patient welcome sheet on the web. Your physician will provide a welcome sheet as shown when they create an account for you in Cankado. You need to use the details given here to log in on Cankado. For that, visit cankado.com. Click on the icon on top right corner to select your preferred language. Enter the username given on the welcome sheet. Enter the password given on the welcome sheet and click on Login. You will be prompted to change your password. Enter your old password or password given on the welcome sheet. Enter the new password and repeat it for confirmation. Now click on Reset Password. Verify terms and conditions by clicking on the checkbox and then clicking on I accept. You will get a page as shown and you have now successfully activated your Cankado patient account. Start using Cankado to monitor and report on your health status.